Have you ever wondered why 24 hours feel so short? You wake up, check your phone, eat, work, scroll, and suddenly it's night again. Another day gone. But here's the truth. You have the same 24 hours that the most successful people on earth have. The difference isn't time, it's how you use it. In this video, we're going to uncover how to master your 24 hours, improve your English fluency, and design a day that brings purpose, growth, and success. So stay tuned to the end, because today could be the day you change the way you live and the way you speak English forever. Every single person on this planet gets exactly 24 hours a day, no more, no less. Time is the most equal resource in the world, but only a few people truly master it. Some people use their 24 hours to build empires, learn new skills, and make an impact. Others spend their 24 hours trapped in distractions, excuses, and endless scrolling. So, what's the secret? The secret is awareness, discipline, and daily improvement. And the best part? You can build all three while also improving your English fluency. This video is your graded reader for life. Simple, structured, and powerful. By the end, you'll not only know how to use your 24 hours, you'll also learn how to make English your daily growth companion. Let's begin. The first step to transformation is understanding where your time goes. You can't improve what you can't measure. Take a notebook and divide your day into 4 blocks: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. For one full day, write down everything you do in each block. When you see it written down, you'll realize that most time isn't lost, it's leaked through habits like overthinking, mindless scrolling, and multitasking. So, to use your 24 hours wisely, you must first observe them. Ask yourself, how many hours do I actually spend learning? How many hours do I waste reacting? How many hours do I invest in improving my English fluency or skills? Because awareness is the first key to control. Mornings are the most powerful time of your day. What you do in the first 2 hours decides how the next 22 hours will go. Here's a simple morning design used by high performers around the world. Wake up with purpose. Don't check your phone. Instead, sit quietly for 2 minutes and breathe. Drink water. Hydration wakes up your brain faster than caffeine. Read or listen to English for 20 minutes. This is where your graded reader habit starts. A graded reader means reading content that's just a bit above your current English level, so your brain stays challenged but not overwhelmed. This small habit helps you improve your vocabulary naturally, develop thinking patterns in English, train focus and consistency. So instead of aimlessly scrolling through social media, start your day feeding your brain with English learning and life inspiration. Remember this rule: if you win your morning, you win your day. By midday, your energy dips, and this is where most people lose hours without realizing it. You can avoid that with a clear midday plan. From 12 p.m. to 3 p.m., focus on the most important tasks of your day, what I call the core work. That might be studying, creating, or working on your dream project. Use a technique called the 50-10 rule. Work with full focus for 50 minutes, then rest or stretch prevents burnout. And during your 10-minute break, try this mini English exercise. Watch a short English motivational clip. Read an English quote out loud and record yourself. Summarize your task in English in 1 or 2 sentences. This small daily practice improves your spoken fluency while you're working on your real goals. You're not just using your 24 hours better, you're upgrading your thinking language. Evenings often decide how you'll feel tomorrow. If you spend your evening wisely, you'll wake up with energy. If not, you'll carry the same chaos into the next day. Here's how to own your evenings. Review your day. Write one line about what you did well and one line about what you'll improve. Spend 15 to 20 minutes reading or listening to English again. Maybe it's a graded reader story, a short news article, or even a YouTube English learning video like this one. This reinforces your learning twice a day, morning and evening. Your brain remembers better when it revisits information before sleep. Reflect. Ask yourself, what did I do today that brought me closer to my dream? When you live with reflection, you live with direction. Nighttime is not for endless scrolling or overthinking. It's for peace, gratitude, and rest. Before bed, try this simple English practice. Write 3 things you're grateful for in English. It could be as simple as, I'm grateful for learning something new today. I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my 24 hours. This gratitude journaling improves both your mental health and English writing fluency. Sleep at least 7 hours. Your body and brain need recovery to make tomorrow powerful. Because even the best time management fails if your energy is empty. Time mastery and English fluency are both built through repetition. Every day, you'll get a bit better, if you stay consistent. At the end of each week, reflect on these 3 questions. How well did I use my 24 hours each day? What new English words or phrases did I learn? What one thing will I do differently next week? This simple weekly reflection helps you build self-discipline and track visible growth. Remember, growth is not about perfection, it's about direction. And as you continue this cycle, you'll find your days becoming more structured, your mind more focused, and your English more fluent than ever before. So now you know how to use your 24 hours like a pro. You've learned to be aware of your time, build powerful mornings, focus during midday, reset your evenings, protect your nights, and refine your habits every week. These steps may sound simple, but practice daily, they can transform your life. And remember, every minute you waste is a minute someone else is using to grow. So choose wisely. If this video helped you think differently about your 24 hours and your English journey, then don't let it end here. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, because we'll keep creating more real, practical English learning lifestyle videos just like this one. Your time is your story. Use it wisely. And I'll see you in the next 24 hours.